everybody. Welcome back to the Building Bugs. I'm the Mexibilly Builder. This mini Yanmar excavator running on a 2-cylinder diesel I got running, and everything's functioning. Yeah, anyway, a little squeaky. I greased her up, but anyway, yeah, everything works. I'm super excited. Runs great. Boom. Anyway, can't beat a free excavator. And it's named brand Yanmar. Way better than that Chinese thing I was going to get. But yeah, I'm going to start digging here. Yeah, I'm going to start digging right here for my drainage under the deck to prevent erosion. And boom. Super excited.